I'm going to test out burning sticks with my Tooliom 195 amp stick welder that I got on Amazon. I'm going to test out running 6011, 6013, and 7018. All of these are 3/32 inch sticks. We'll see how she does. We'll just get this coupon set up. So we'll just clean this up a little bit, and then we'll be ready to run some beads. We'll start with this 6011 rod, see how it does. Let's get it clamped into the stinger. And now we're ready to weld. Here we go. Tap, 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 tap. Swing and a miss. Tap, 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 tap. I guess we'll use two hands. Oh yeah. She's burning now. Oh yeah. Ran that one really well. Next up, we'll try 6013. I've also bumped the amperage up from 65 amps from our last stick to 90 amps. Oh yeah, she's running. Yeah, that one ran good too. I think I like this machine. We'll see how 7018 does. And last, but certainly not least, 7018. Let's see how this one does. Here we go. Tap, tap, stick, tap, tap, stick, tap, stick, tap. Two hands. Yeah, this is running pretty good too. All in all, I like this little stick welder. It's a great value, I think. And I'm pretty sure to get the job done. Drop a comment below, let me know what you think. Also, while you're down there, I'd really appreciate it if you'd smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. I've got an actual project going on. Let's see how this does welding part of that frame. I've got some square tubing that I'm building a frame out of for an offset barbecue smoker I'm building. So let's give this welder a shot at doing some of these corners. See if we can't get these stuck together. We'll get our table set up for the bracing. Try to keep these at a 90-degree angle. I find it's always better when my projects turn out square, when making things that should be square or rectangular. And get these lined up. And now we'll see if we can't just tack this together. And we'll just get our rafter square and stick this right in the corner. I guess it doesn't hurt to have additional measurements. And we'll just try to keep this all together. Now, I put this extra glove that I have down here. I'm going to set me up a piece of plate to tap on, which is just the plate that we ran the test welds on. And then we'll just do some tap, 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 tap. And now let's try some welding. So yeah, this is running really good. Started right up. I think my issue really was just using the brand new sticks that had the flux coating on the tip. It just wasn't getting a real good connection to get the arc started. But tapping it on this piece of metal here seemed to really help, and she jumped right to life. All right, let's give this inside corner joint a try. Oh yeah, fired right up. No problem there. Yeah, yeah, this frame just might hold together. Still square. We'll flip it around. Try the other side. So yeah, I like this little welder. It was inexpensive and does a pretty good job. I'm rolling right on through these corners. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. And here's how the frame turned out. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to check it out.